Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used Audi vehicle. Introducing the 2024 model Audi A3 Saloon Sport that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in that desired yet modernised black paintwork. Alongside housing your petrol engine and manual transmission, it is the ideal Navy City upgrade for any individual. Packed with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your automatic LED daytime running headlights. You do also have further protection with your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors, with the added convenience of an electronic boot release, exposing plenty of space for daily essentials. The cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with your fitted ISOFIX points and access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you do have your multifunctional leather steering wheel for further style and convenience, with access to your digital cockpit, central touch display, and again the comfort of your full cloth seats. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit display with all of your vital driving data, various audio and navigation. You do also have the added bonus of your cruise control and speed limiter features, followed by similar access to your variation of radio stations on your central touch display, alongside your Bluetooth connection and navigation system. For enhanced performance, you do have your Audi Drive Select, complete with your efficiency and comfort modes, alongside further safety features with your driving assistance, and of course the activation of your front and rear parking sensors when you are manoeuvring the vehicle. This is followed just below by your main climate options with the added convenience of your two front heated seats for the winter, followed below by your wireless charging pocket, power outlets, and of course your central cup holders for when you are on those longer journeys. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.